My Uncle Enos's family are genetic misfires. Uncle Enos should never have had children. Cousin Billy, his oldest, he calls me up the other day. He says, "Dave, something terrible happened. My wife shook me awake screaming that somebody had broken in the barn, so I ran out there in my underwear and a flashlight. As I looked for a good hour, but I couldn't find nothing." I says, "Billy, you ain't even married." "Yeah, I realized that. Figured she was a burglar. I went back. She cleaned out the whole house. She even stole Aunt Edna's poodle."